Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I have another Hot Wheels video car collection. This one is going to be the Roland Solid Hot Wheels track car. So let's go ahead and take a really quick look at this car. It's a really nice car. Look how slim it is. Check out those wheels, pretty nice. You got some pretty nice decals going on. Red color with the number 41. And also, let's go ahead and check out that front part there. You got the 41 with the little small Hot Wheels logo. This one looks like it's really good on the Hot Wheels track. Looks pretty fast right over there. So if you're into racing cars, this is it. Okay. Here's a pretty good picture on the top right over there. All right, so let's take a look at the back, see what the back says. And it says Hot Wheels Track Champs. Bring your racing spirit to life on track with these speed chasers. All right. So for those who collect Hot Wheels car, this would be another great addition to your collection. Or those have the I've seen on some YouTube videos. Some of these people have some really cool layouts and some racing things going on. They really get into the Hot Wheels car. So tell me which one of these Hot Wheels cars on my YouTube channel playlist for Hot Wheel car collection you like and why. And here we go. Rolling Solid by the Hot Wheels. Also be sure to check out my description below. More information about this car. All right then. The Hot Wheels car collection Rolling Solid. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this video and you have a great day.